Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the orange trend line there is coming from, and that green line right there. But after today's price movement, definitely a lot of updates here need to be done. So as a quick recap, on Friday I talked about how the price was actually slowly making some progress. So I put that trend line into place, and you can see that that trend line ultimately proved to be kind of the floodgates there, because when the price did break down below there, that is where the floodgates really did open up, and then essentially spent the rest of the day just trending downwards. So that is definitely I'm going to get that out of there right now, but that was turned out to be a very important level as far as the chart is concerned. The first update though that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational level foundational rule in charting, I should say, and that is when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So right here around 3650, give or take, is going to be that key level of resistance going forward on any sort of bounce in the more near term. So before you even talk about 3650 and doing battle with that, it looks as though right around 34.35 is going to be that, like I said, initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then you can start to talk about doing battle with 3650. But as things stand right now, kind of pointless to talk about doing battle with 3650 until, again, 34.35 can be broken. And then from the overarching perspective, as far as areas of resistance, still all about that purple line there, which once again displayed itself today. Talked about it on Friday, and again during the earlier parts of the day, immediately rejected right from there. But definitely getting way too far ahead of yourself if you're talking about the 50 period, because first the price has to break above both these red lines, and then you can worry about doing battle with the 50 period moving average. Now, what about levels of support? Pretty straightforward right now, nothing complicated behind it. The bleeding today finally stopped right here at 32.30, and then got the nice little hammer candle. So 32.30 will be that level of support going forward. But all in all, you got to think some sort of bounce is coming. Whether or not it turns into a reversal, that's a whole different question. But I mean, this thing got beat up so much today that you would think that some sort of bounce could be in store, but only time will tell. I know I'll be watching it tomorrow, so let's see how it plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.